you ever laughed at yourself and thought, this idea is way too weird to be patentable? Hi, everybody. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And it is just that. It is the weird stuff that actually makes it unique and therefore registrable at the patent office. As a invention, it must be novel and non-obvious and have utility to get a patent here in the US. So weird is actually in the patent office. So most breakthrough inventions are not obvious. In fact, they're really strange and they're out of the box. So if you've got something weird that you think might actually have a market potential, meaning people would pay money for it, strangers would pay money for it, then you could be onto something. And you should get a hold of us at boldpatents.com. Let's take a look at some real world proof of why some weird ideas actually made it in the patent world and in the commercial sector as well. Let's start with this one. It's an oldie but a goodie, the pet rock. Who's ever heard of the pet rock? Okay, it's literally a rock, and it's something that has been sold in the terms of a pet. So you can decorate it, color it, call it a name, maybe even take it on a walk. It's weird, but it had commercial success. Go look it up. It was mocked, but it sold millions because novelty itself had value. Crocs. Are you wearing Crocs right now? Do you have a set of Crocs in your garage? Probably yes. They're foam clogs with holes. Fashion experts laughed, but consumers didn't. They actually had some value. Gardening, somewhat disposable, and had some art support. So while they may be ugly, they have sold millions of pairs. Last one is the Post-it note. This one's kind of interesting, but it was invented, I don't know if you know this, on accident. The inventors at 3M, working on the high-end, very technical adhesive, had one formula that failed. It didn't hold well, and it didn't stick, but it kind of made paper, stick to itself. They didn't think that was actually valuable because it was just weird. It was glue that didn't work. It was just sticky enough to adhere paper to basically anything else. So thus the Post-it note was born. So the flaw was actually the feature in the Post-it note. So anyway, do you have something interesting, weird, off base, and you're not sure if it's got potential or not? Let's see if it's patentable. Schedule a free discovery call here at boldpatents.com, and let's see what you've got. We're here to work alongside you in confidence as your legal advisor to take that next bold step. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.